Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through the updated steps to remove an admin from your Facebook page using the Facebook app. Whether you're streamlining your team or making changes to page management, this guide will help you do it quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Once you're logged in, tap the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. At the top of the menu, tap the drop-down arrow and select the page you want to manage. Next, tap the menu icon again and look for the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to your page's settings. Now, scroll down until you find the Page Setup option under the Audience and Visibility section. Tap on it to proceed. In this section, locate Page Recommendation and tap on it. Then, select Manage Admins. Here, you'll see a list of all admins associated with your page. To remove an admin, find their name in the list and tap on the three dots next to it. A menu will appear. Tap Remove from Page. Facebook will ask you to confirm this action. Review your choice carefully, and if you're sure, confirm to finalize the removal. And that's it. You've successfully removed an admin from your Facebook page. This process ensures that only authorized individuals have access to manage your page. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. See you in the next one.